yabo musu ukubona lo mzimba lo wakho physical body njoba kuthiwa as above so below, as within so without, kumele kube khona i-reflection as physical so spiritual. So kulo mzimba wakho njoba ukhona ama-neurons nje that transmit ama-signals from your brain to your cells to your muscles. Even na spiritually kunemthambo kanjalo, kunama-neurons kanjalo, but we don't call them neurons, yabo. So abiza ngama-nadis, yabo. Loma lokhungana loma energy wires or spiritual veins, yabo. So abiza ngani ngama-nadis. Uma ngabe ke kuma-neurons kwakhona inkinga ukuthi kuba ayafa ama-neurons lawo, imessage ayibisafika kwilento le kuma-muscles akho, ayibisafika imessage kuma-muscles akho, yabo, isuka kwi-brain. So still na spiritually uma ngabe kuwukuthi ama-nadis akho are blocked, still awubusayi-receive i-message ngendlela, iba blocked from the divine. That is why kubalulekile ukwenza lento ekuthiwa i-pranayama, ngoba iyawavula ama-nadis amongst other things ezingama-benefits. Iyawavula lo ma-spiritual veins. Ungathola ukuthi there's a message or a signal that says wena you need to wake up and go to umsebenzi othile, kodwa wena ngeke ifike lo message, ngeke izifike lo message, bese uba ngathi uphambana nenhlanhla. Ngalesi sikhathi ubingelelo changes akasha othi ngenzana noma yini noma inini noma kanjani kunoma ubani, ngoba impilo ayisiyona lento ocabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho esisuka khona futhi kukude lapho esiya khona. Beka phansi umoya, ungatatazeli, uyabona. Yabo, into mangabe i-bad for you biological, i-bad for you even spiritual. Ngeke kuze kwenzeke ibe bad for you biological but spiritual ibe right. Yabo, njengoba kukhona ukudla esikudlayo okungekho right vele, ku-bad biological and spiritual futhi is the same thing. It blocks, calcify the pineal gland, it do all sorts of things. So you really need to perform the spiritual practices to counteract that, yabo. Ngeke kuze kukusize nje ukulokhu uthi wena uzohlala nje uzindele kodwa ube wenza izinto futhi that are not good for your body, that are not good for your mind, that are not good for your spirit. So la ma-spiritual veins mfethu owavula through i-pranayama, uyakwazi futhi ukwavula through i-meditation, yabo. Ngoba the fact is uma ngase wena ucabange ukususa unyawo manje uliphakamise lwakho laka right, yabo, what is going to happen? I-signal izosuka from the brain straight to your leg, right? So if that the case, uma ukuthi ke afileka ama-neurons, yabo, azotransporta lowo message iye lapha ezansi, ngeke izifike, ngeke uzoliphakame lolo nyawo, yabo. I-nervous system yakho iphazamisekile. Ngokunjalo-ke futhi na spiritual into efanayo, uma une-blockage kanjalo emzimbeni wakho, still awathola ama-messages akumele ngabe uyawathola. Awufiki ugesi, iyafana nje kanjalo impela nogesi. Ugesi khona la ungafiki khona, kudinga ukuthi uwutest ukuthi uphelaphi la, ikuphi la ofika unqamuke khona, bese ungadluleli lapha thothi aliduma ifridge noma sishisa istove, ikuphi la uphela khona. Now uyayi-bio machine nawe ngokwakho, yabo. Lo gesi ke wena kuwena i-consciousness. So if there's that blockage, kuba khona leyo nkinga le ngikhuluma ngayo, with the messages they don't get to you at the right time, so you don't even receive what you need to receive. So uthola ukuthi there was something that was very valuable that you needed to do, but uthola ukuthi it's like when you are fighting life, you are hitting the resistance, kanti lento ngikhuluma ngayo, yabo. So last week I was not present, I was not there on YouTube to do that, those spiritual practices, but ngizobe ngikhona ke ngoLwesine nje, ngizobe ngikhona ngoLwesine lolu lwakusasa ngomhla 26 ngizobe ngikhona, sibhalansa lawo ma-chakras, si-open lawo ma-nadis lawo, senza lawo meditation. But ke le service ngayiqala ngoba kukhona the channel members that were there already that were contributing monetarily, then I decided to honor them. So yeah, that is why you need to be a channel member before you do that. So mawufika lapha ku Changes Akasha on YouTube, you'll simply click join. Once you click join, then you follow the prompt. Yeah, see you on Thursday. It's Thursdays and Mondays at 7 p.m. Thursdays and Mondays at 7 p.m. Danko.